Hello and good morning to all of you. I am Megha Dayani, your science teacher. But before starting the new chapter, join your hands, close your eyes, and chant the mantra. Pray for a while. Okay, come back. A very good morning to one and all of you. Today, we are going to start the new chapter, that is chapter number 1, Food. Where does it come from? But before starting, let us understand actually what food is. Okay? We require energy to perform different tasks. So energy is required to do all these different kinds of things. Now we need to eat different kind of materials from which we can get energy, like carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamin, minerals and water. So the materials which are required for development, growth and energy of the body is called nutrients. So in short, I can tell that materials required for growth and maintenance of our body are nutrients. And food is the basic source of all these nutrients. Clear this much? The nutritious thing which we eat for obtaining the nutrients is food. I guess now you all are clear what is food and how it helps us to get the different kind of nutrients. So today in this chapter we are going to learn in the first session basically three things, that is variety of food, material and sources of food. So starting with the varieties of food, we have fruits, vegetables, cereals, eggs, meat, fish and dairy products. These are different varieties of food. Now single food will not provide us all the nutrients. For that we need to mix all these items to prepare a food dish. Now, dal. Take one example, dal, which is an Indian food dish, a famous Indian food dish. What all things are used to prepare this dal? That are pulses, water, salt, oil, and different spices. Now, these all things which are used to make the dal are called ingredients. I hope you are clear with the word ingredients. Yes? Same way sambar, which is in South Indian dish. What are the ingredients for it? Tamarind broth, lentils and vegetables. Now can you guess and tell me what are the ingredients of a cooked rice? This I guess all of you should know. Only two ingredients, that is rice and water. Yeah, but many of them even use salt and oil and they put it in this rice while cooking. Okay, but basically there are two ingredients only, rice and water. Next comes chapati. It has wheat flour, water and oil as an ingredients which are used to prepare chapati. So I guess you all are now clear what are the ingredients to prepare different food items. Variety of food items which are found around in India. In Kashmir you can see Rogan Josh, northeast that is fish tenga, idli sambar, in south and in west obviously that is us in Gujarat. Dal dhokli is very famous. Now from where we obtain the food ingredients? From where we will obtain all these food ingredients? We have two sources to obtain these all materials which are used to prepare a particular food item, that are plant and animal sources. So let us first learn about the plant sources. From plants we can obtain vegetables, fruits, grains. These are the materials which we will obtain from the plants. Now to obtain those materials we have to grow the same kind of plant in a particular area, and that is called as agriculture. Now crop which is used to obtain the food is called food crop. Clear with the word agriculture, crop, a food crop? Same way, different kind of materials can be obtained from the animal sources also, like meat, milk, egg, chicken, fish. Now, different food items from a single kind of food also can be prepared. Let us take one example, which is milk. From milk we can obtain many different things such as butter, cheese, cream, curd. Yes? So, today in this first session, we have learnt about varieties of food, food materials, and sources of the food. Let us quickly revise this. In this picture only everything is clear. See, the nutritious thing which we eat for obtaining the nutrients is called food. Varieties of food like apple, cereals, grains, egg, chicken, everything, these are obtained from different sources, that is plant source and animal source. The rest of the things will continue in the next session. For today, this much is enough. Thank you so much. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay fit, eat well, learn well. Thank you so much.